What do you say?
Thank you.
No, say happy birthday, Cece.
Happy birthday, Cece.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Give her a kiss. Give a kiss.
Go. Clack, 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 clack,
Happy
clack.
birthday, Aunt Cece. Here's your birthday smile. Hi, Tyler.
Clack, 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 clack,
You even got teeth. You even got a toothy smile. Happy birthday from Rosie. And happy birthday from Ayla. All right, goodbye. We love you.